All right, with Corey today, we're talking about a couple things that make you successful in life and in the welding world. Two of those being that do a little extra and always be prepared. Corey, what do you think about doing a little extra?
Doing a little extra. So, you know, a lot of guys leave here at KWI thinking I'm just a welder. That's not the case. Or they come here thinking they're just going to be a welder leaving here. No. Here at KWI, the students and the instructors work hand in hand to clean the shop. Every other Friday, we do a major cleanup on the shop. We wash everything down. We scrub toilets. We take out trash. If it needs to be done, we do it. We're not training just welders.
Right. And that translates onto the job. A lot of our guys will call back to the schoolhouse and say, hey, I kept this job, or I got called by my GF to go work the next one because I didn't just prima donna. I didn't wait for the welds. If we weren't doing anything, then I helped my fitter. If we weren't doing anything, then I picked up a broom. If we weren't doing anything, they kept busy. They did those little extra things. And again, that goes a long way, because those foremans, those GFs, they're looking to get this whole job done. And they're looking at a big picture. They just need a lot of little things to be happening. So if you pick one and then refuse to do anything else, you're really fighting against those guys trying to get that project managed.
Yeah, so I like this saying, and it's if we all do a little, we can do a lot.
Yeah, many hands make light work. That's what I always push out.
And that's what they're looking at, you know. And you definitely don't want your GF, your superintendent down your neck. But then if you've got a customer that's ticked off because you're standing around, that's not going to fly. You will be removed from the property, I promise.
So doing a little extra. What about being prepared?
Being prepared, okay. Showing up every day. I had a student. I had taught here for probably about a year, and it's his second day of school here at KWI, and he shows up without a welding hood.
That's going to be hard day.
Oh yeah, you paid 15 grand to go to welding school, and you show up without a welding hood. Needless to say, he either bought a hood or he called mom to come bring his hood to school. Yeah. He wanted to use mine, and absolutely not. I'm prepared. I have my hood. I've got to have my hood to do my job.
Yeah.
And he's got to have his to learn. So he bought a new hood.
Now that may sound tough to you. You know, we're a school. You paid us money. You're our customer, but that's actually not how we view you here at KWI. We view those companies and contractors as our customer. You are our product. So we are chiseling away. We are molding you into what companies and contractors want, need, desire. So if you want a place to coddle you and pretend like it's high school again, then I guess find another school. But Corey's absolutely right. You're not going to borrow another welder's tools if you show up to work that day. You need to come prepared. This is a big boy world, and that's how we're going to treat you at the Kentucky Welding Institute.
Yes, sir. Show up to play.
That's right.